Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Patriot. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, rear wipers, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call